Assalamualaikum and greetings Dr. Mazat Liza. So, today we are going to present you our assignment 2. Before we start the presentation, I would like to introduce you our group mates, starting with me, Nuruddin Manina, Nur Anshal Zahir, and lastly, Nur and Fitri.
So, the activity that we have been choose for this assignment is Tales, Walking Dead. Okay, this activity or this game is a narrative-driven game with a focus on dialogue and choices. This game will be using English as a primary language, but of course there will be another language, but the original voice acting or dialogue are in English. Then where you can play this game? Well, this game available on PC or MacBook or console. They will be also on mobile device. So how to play this game? Okay, you can just start to download it on your PC, on your computer, or just install it on your mobile device. Then you need to go to main menu to launch the game and navigate through the main menu. You can start a game, continue a save game, or adjust the setting to your preference. Next, the episode. The game is divided into episodes. You can start with episode 1 and progress to a story. Each episode will continue the narrative because this is a narrative driven game. Third, you can explore and interact. In this game, you will be moving your character around the environment to explore more. Look for objects you can interact with, which will often be highlighted or have to prompt. Next, dialogue choices. During the conversation, you will be given multiple dialogue options. Your choice can affect the story and how the character responds to you. Next, decision making. So, you need to make a critical decision to impact the storyline. This decision can affect relationship with other character also, and the overall outcome of the game. You need to remember that you are the one that carry the storyline of this game. You can replay and also review the games. If you don't understand a scene, replay it to catch all the details. You can use subtitles and listen carefully to improve your comprehension.
Next, I will explain about the theory. This game is using the constructivism learning theory. In games like Telltale's The Walking Dead, players actively make choices and solve problems. This process helps them build their knowledge through experience. For scaffolding learning, the game gradually introduces new words and ideas within the story, assisting players to understand and remember better as they play. While The Walking Dead doesn't create community of practice within the game itself, it connects players through online communities. Fan gathers on websites like Reddit, game forum, and social media to talk about their choices, character, and different ending. This platform let players share their experience and strategies, creating a sense of community. Fan groups on Discord allow players to discuss the game, share artwork, and write fanfiction. Additionally, fans who have watched the TV series can leave their review on Rotten Tomatoes, adding to the broader discussion. This shared practice helps players learn from each other and enjoy the game more.
Next, we move to the potential problem and the solution. For the first problem, it is sensitive content, violence, and gore. The game includes graphic violence, blood, and gore which may be triggering for some players, especially younger audience. The storyline deals with intense themes such as death, survival, and moral dilemma, which may not be suitable for all players. Solution for this problem is parental guidance. Ensure that parents or guardians review the game content and provide guidance on what is appropriate for younger players. Also, content warning. Players should be aware of content warning before starting the game. Reading reviews and summaries can help understand the nature of the content. Next, the second problem is language complexity. The game includes informal language, slang, and regional dialect that might be challenging for non-native speakers to understand. Also, this game uses advanced vocabulary. Some dialogue may contain advanced vocabulary and idiomatic expressions that could be difficult for learners to grasp without additional context. So, For the second solution, the player can enable English subtitle to read along with the spoken dialogue. This can help with understanding slang and colloquial expression. We're already at the end of this presentation. So overall, the Walking Dead game series is great for English acquisition. It's like a fun way to practice English while playing a game about surviving in a scary world. So that's all from us. Thank you.